Recording? Yeah. Hello folks, this is Joy. I'm here again to show you some other work that I've done. This was made by Dawn. Well, this one was made by me, but it was kind of Dawn's idea. But I think, if I remember rightly, it was made a long time ago by the lady. Oh, I've forgotten her name. Anna. She used to be on YouTube a long time ago, and I think she was German, and she made these kind of things, and very beautiful things too. But it was years and years ago. Anyway, this was made designed by Dawn, and she said if anybody was going to make one to let her know. So I'm going to let her know after as I upload this video. Anyway, it's what she called a grungy flip-flop book. So it's got these kind of floppy hinges that are made out of old, I suppose you could call it lace. It's embroidered anglaise, and all the hinges are made out of this. Okay, so the front, I put some cards in here. I did this is handmade paper, some old pattern paper, a little bit of lace, and applique from my stash, and an envelope on top. This is also a sticker. I bought loads of stickers. Anyway, this came from one of my paper packs. I think it was Die Cuts with a View, but I'm not 100% sure. So it says family, friends, gratitude, and charming. I put those in because of the time that we're going through. We've discovered how important our family and friends are at the moment with this all these terrible things that are happening in the world. Okay, all these terrible things that are happening. So it opens this way, and you've got a pocket here with a couple of tags. This is from, I think this is Prima. I'm not 100% sure, Prima. This is a cheap one from eBay, I think, pieces of paper. And it's got a little boat on here. Butterfly sticker. These are my stickers. These two are from eBay. Then it's very difficult, but it opens up this way too. And this is the middle. And in the middle section, I put a little bit of lace. And this comes down, and here we have a couple of tags with some coffee dyed paper on the back, so that you can write on them. I think this is also Prima paper as well. They're old papers from my stash, something to use up. Okay, the 54 number shouted out to me, so I stuck that. That's also from an old Prima package. Okay, I'm going to move over again, and this is the other side folded out. Okay. What did I do there? Okay, yeah, I think no, I did it right, but I don't know. Or I maybe opened it too soon. Okay, so this is open like this, and this is what you see. So here are a couple of stickers with a butterfly. I have left this sticker with the backing so that it could flop around. This is a flip up. This is from Prima, I'm sure. Well, no, I'm not sure, because they're all scraps in my book, but this is the cheap stuff that I put on the back there. And then obviously it's cardboard, made out of cardboard, okay? And so that's when you open it up, and this is the middle bit and this is the side bit. A reflection of the other side, except here I used the flowers, and there it was with the boats, okay? Then this flips up, and you have hello, I'm back again. As usual, the camera cut out. My iPad is a little bit small in memory. So this is a pocket from the back here. This actually goes like this. You open up, well, no, you open out, which I've already shown you, up, which I've shown you, well, not quite shown you, and this is the back of the bottom piece that comes down as well. Here, well, there's tags here from my stash, and down here is another is a little booklet, and the booklet is for journaling. It's very plain. This came from Amazon paper, and this is my good drawing paper here as well. So there's actually two of these journals, right? So one is at the top as well, and I put some stickers on with the flowers as well. And it's really quite a nice little journal, okay? So you can put photos here, you can put the photos here, even here, okay? So you can have oh, sorry, here as well. It's a place for photos. I've put in the middle at the back, and I'll put in the description box who did this flip-flop book with these material hinges, okay? And I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope my friend's going to love it too, because I made it especially for her. I think I showed you this. Oh, it's stuck in. I think I showed you. It's for photos as well. You can journal, because I put some paper on the back for journaling. Alright. So I think it's gorgeous, and it folds up really neatly. And there's the front. And that's the back. I just kept it with a cluster made up of the different papers that go in here. And I just tie it up with this little bit of lace. Well, thank you for your time and watching. Welcome to my new subscribers. Hope some of my old subscribers come back. I've got 300, but generally I only have about 15-20 views. So I hope you'll come back and watch the things that I'm doing. Bye for now. Stay safe.